Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michaela if you are new here, and welcome to my world of self-discovery through our natural hair journey. Yeah, that sounds corny, but we're gonna go with it. Basically, I'm gonna keep it really short and simple intro today. What I'm gonna be doing is sharing some tips and tricks that I am doing as a beginner myself on my hair journey. I'm going to be sharing those tips of what I've been doing to kind of make this process a little bit easier and more efficient, and just making the results come out better. You know, we're all like learning here, and I think like when you first start out and this is kind of like overwhelming. So I just wanted to share my tips, and hopefully this helps you guys. If you like this video and if you want more of these, please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. I would love to hear from you guys. Even share some of your guys' tips on what you've been doing on your hair journey. I would love to hear. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so my first tip, and I think that honestly this is probably one of like, this just helps so much, and I think it's just so important, is number one, learning your hair porosity. Now, we've all been in that space where you watch like some of your favorite YouTubers, their hair type is just like yours, and so you go out, you buy the products, you try their tutorial out, and it's just like, your hair is like, no, what are you doing, ma'am? And you're like, I was just trying to let you be great. And it just doesn't turn out great. Like, the product doesn't work in your hair. It's just like, it's just not working. And I think we all have to remember that we all have different hair, and something that may work on one person may not work on yours. And I think that this is where it becomes really important for you to understand your hair porosity, because some products will work on your hair and some products won't. Once I started understanding what my hair porosity was, I started following girls that have the same porosity as me, and it really helped me go throughout my journey, which leads me to my second step. Now, my second step is finding someone, a YouTuber, a blogger, whomever, who has the same porosity as your hair, you like their hair results, and you can kind of follow them throughout this, because again, you're a beginner and you don't really know what you're doing. So sometimes it's best to like follow someone that does, and then you can grow from there. Nitpick your different types of techniques or skills from different people. I'm not saying that you only have to watch people that have your same porosity, but if you focus on them and like the products that they're using, and kind of what they're doing in their hair to make the results come out better, I think that this is really, it's a really major key, and to helping you throughout this journey so that you don't feel like you are alone. Now, here we go for our third tip. My third tip is to really start understanding technique, because if you understand what your hair porosity is, and you understand the technique, and you really hone in on that technique, it helps you get results. Now, everybody does their own different techniques when they're doing their hair, but I really suggest, when you find the people on the internet, on YouTube, that really like, you love their hair is the same porosity as yours, just watch, try out the different things, see what really works in your hair. Like, the first time you do something, it's not going to be perfect, but just trial and error. That's what this is all about. And once your technique gets better and better and better and better and better, the results get better and better and better and better, and then you're happy. You're just happy. That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to, like, you know, just love our hair and love ourselves. And I think that's very important. So learn your technique, because this is very important. Now, my fourth tip is to just start testing out hair products. Once you find that person on YouTube that has the same porosity hair as yours, start checking like what they're using. try that stuff out here and there. Just start to build up the products that are really working in your hair, because you're gonna need that rotation over time, because sometimes your hair doesn't like the same product over and over and over again. Sometimes you have to switch it up. Sorry, there's women outside of my window talking, like, girl, keep pushing. But you know, you really have to, back onto what I was saying, damn. Yeah, so testing out different products here and there. I know products can get really, really expensive if you're going to like Target or Walmart or whatnot. When everything opens back up, try out Marshalls and TJ Maxx and Ross, because you can at least get like $5 off. And TJ Maxx and Marshalls just opened up on the internet. You know your girl is happy. Get your hair products at a discount? That sounds amazing to me. So yeah, start seeing if they have them there. Start seeing how you can get a deal on it, a discount, to try out these different products. But once you start building it up, I really suggest having like 3 that you use like in your rotation for when your hair doesn't really feel one of them here and there, like shampoo, conditioner, you know, your gel, your hair cream, the products, yeah, the oils. You have to make her happy. She's like a flower. You gotta keep her happy. And my 5th tip, which piggybacks off of the first one with the products, is coming up with a hair regimen. I know that sometimes we get really, really, really busy, but keeping up a consistent like schedule with your hair and what you're trying to do, because since you're in the beginning, you're trying to train your hair into acting how you want her to act. And it's just like working out. Like if you like work out hard for like 1 week and then like you kind of are like cool off it after 2 weeks, and then you have to go back and you have to like build that 1 week back up. We don't have time for that. We want our we want our hair to be great all the time, so we can be banging on these while we were out here during the summer. Hopefully we can get out here during the summer. But anyways, I digress. But you know, just really having a hair regimen, knowing when you're gonna wash your hair, knowing what you're gonna do to your hair, just focusing in on what works best for you, I think is really, really important. Just having a schedule with your hair, just like you have a schedule with working out, schedule with your children, whatever it may be, school, whatnot. Really just taking that time, whether it's every single day, once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week, whatever works best in your schedule, but just really making sure that you're taking that time with your hair to really train it, because what we're trying to do is make it easier for the future. Because the more that you keep training it, the more that you keep working with it, the less is hair, the less time it will take, and it will be easier and easier and easier every single time. I promise. You know, when I first started doing my wash and goes, it used to take me like 2.5 hours. And now we are down to an hour and a half. It's slow, but it's steady, okay? We're getting it done. But yeah. So here is my 6th step, and it might be a bit corny. I don't really care. I just think that it's really important for everyone to just remember this. You're a beginner. Be patient with yourself. Love yourself. Speak kind words to your hair. It's like a plant. The more you speak kind positivity to it, the better it thrives, and it does. And you know, you have to remember, like, this is a part of you. So like, you're loving yourself through doing your hair, and you know, just speak to it. Just say, hey girl, today you're thriving. And then just be like, you know, like, give yourself like that extra light pep talk, you know. And just remember to be patient with yourself when like things don't go the way that you want them to go. It's a learning, like, you're learning, and all you know is what you can do better for next time to improve it. So I really am excited for you guys on your journey. Thank you for watching this video, and yeah, please make sure to comment below. I would really love to hear about what you guys are doing on your beginning steps and your natural hair journey. I would love it. I'm a fellow beginner, so I just wanted to share these tips with you guys to help you throughout this journey, because these steps are really helping me with mine. So yeah, in my next video that we'll post next Wednesday, we will be talking all about hair porosity and how you can test it to lead you guys along the way, because this is what's helping me. So yeah, love you guys. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.